What is up guys, Julien here, the French winemaking guy who makes wine videos here on YouTube. Yes, wine videos, and we are looking at what is a Txakolí wine, a short quick video to explain briefly what is a Txakolí wine and how to pronounce it properly. So Txakolí is a type of very dry, very crisp, very refreshing and slightly fizzy white wine that is made in the north of Spain in the Basque Country on the coast of the Atlantic Ocean to the border with France. This Basque Country that has its own culture, very fantastic area with lots of wine and food culture there. So Txakolí is this type of slightly fizzy, refreshing white wine that is served in a very specific fashion, very, very high above your glass, so it splashes and foams kind of everywhere. It's absolutely fantastic, very refreshing, goes extremely well with fish and local seafood. How do you go and pronounce Txakolí? Well, the X at Txakolí in Basque is like CH, so just pretend there is CH there instead of TX or TCH if you wish. Txakolí. Txakolí. Because there is an accent on the I, you have to insist on the I, emphasize on the I, Txakolí, rather than Txakolí. Not Txakolí, neither Txakolí, but rather Txakolí. Txakolí Spanish wine. I hope this video was useful. If it was, give it a quick thumb up before you go to support my work. Here are many more videos explaining the world of wine and wine pronunciations. Au revoir. Bye bye.